SCON Design India Private Ltd is one of the leading surveying and engineering firms in Dharamshala. With a team of highly skilled and experienced professionals, SCON Design has established a strong reputation for delivering accurate and reliable land surveying services. As a government-approved land surveyor in Dharamshala, SCON Design ensures that all surveys are conducted in compliance with the local regulations and standards. The role of a government land surveyor in Dharamshala is crucial in the planning and development of infrastructure projects. SCON Design understands the importance of accurate and precise land surveys for effective decision-making. With state-of-the-art equipment and advanced surveying techniques, SCON Design is equipped to handle projects of any size and complexity. SCON Design takes pride in its team of expert surveyors who are well-versed in the latest technologies and methodologies. They use advanced surveying instruments such as total stations, GPS receivers, and drones to collect accurate data for land surveys. With their expertise, SCON Design ensures that clients receive high-quality and reliable survey reports that meet their specific requirements. As a government-approved land surveyor, SCON Design not only provides surveying services for private clients, but also works closely with government agencies, local authorities, and developers. They assist in land acquisition, boundary disputes, infrastructure planning, and construction projects. SCON Design's extensive experience in working with various stakeholders enables them to provide comprehensive solutions that meet the needs of their clients. In conclusion, SCON Design India Private Ltd is a trusted and reputable government-approved land surveyor in Dharamshala. With their skilled team of professionals and advanced surveying equipment, they ensure accurate and reliable land surveys for various projects. Whether it is land acquisition or infrastructure planning, SCON Design's expertise and commitment to quality make them a preferred choice for clients in Dharamshala. SCON Design India Private Ltd offers accurate and reliable land surveying services in Dharamshala. Committed to compliance with local regulations, trust our experienced professionals for your infrastructure projects.